Hello, good day dear future employers. My name is Aileen Sarmiento, 34 years of age from Philippines. I am high school graduate, married with 3 kids. I have 3.5 years of experience as a nanny here in the Philippines and in Hong Kong, caring for children ages 3 to 7. As a nanny, I have to make sure that I provide the children with care they need and maintain safe and secure environment for them. Keep the children's area neat and tidy, prepare healthy meals, feed, wash, and dress the children, play and do some learning activities with them, assist with the schoolworks, maintain children's calendar, and help them transport to and from school. As a nanny, my duties and responsibilities also include doing the household tasks such as cleaning, cooking, ironing, and do the laundry. Dear future employers, I hope you consider my application as your nanny, and I'm very much happy to be part of your family. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.